What do you think of that, Gianna? That's a leopard, huh? Do we even have a leopard at the zoo? Oh, look at that one rolling over. Those women must be in heat.